Mga higala, kumusta? Napunta na itong tulamanon panglantaw sa kagabhion. Tingala-tingali mo nga ni apa ko sa eskwelahan tungod kay karong adlaw, karong gabhiuna among gipahigayon ang amo ang school camporal dinhi sa Kalubi Integrated School. Pero naanad man gyud ta nga mag-live gyud ta kada gabi niadto ang paglantaw sa kagabhion. So niya na punta ni ato ang tulumanon panglantaw sa kagabhion. Pero sa dili pa nato sugdan ang atuang kabildo mga igsuon, ato sang i-shout out ang atuang mga likers sa atuang live kagabi, si Gisa Habla Istiliana, si Mr. Johnny D. Samonte, atuang teacher sa Kalubi Integrated School sa Social Studies, Lilian Martinez Tubigon, tiga kalot sa akuang likod nga tuapod karon sa ilang eskwelahan sa Mati Elementary School. Nag-scouting pod. Ang atuang teacher sa mathematics, duha ka teacher sa mathematics, si Mrs. Marilo P. Faustino o si Mrs. Jovi Habilio. Nga naa karon nagtan-aw diha sa gawas ng inyong igsuon. Live gyud nga nagtan-aw silang doon. Ang mga kauban natong teachers sa Kalubi Integrated School, si Ma'am Rowena Bantungan, Ma'am Estrella Paler, Ma'am Lisa Nilias, Ma'am kaning singala ani Ma'am Ametis Costañera, Ma'am Revelyn Regala, Ma'am Genevieve Sopilanas, igid sa panang uban sa tanang mga teachers nga nangatawa diha sa gawas kay nag-live ta. Ato pong gi-shout out ang atuang silingan dinhi sa Kalubi Integrated School, si Maritis Ay Balatiro, si Pastora Sheila Maris Haranilla makigangay diha sa Sayo Christian Fellowship, si Renato Tubigon, si Ma'am Ini Bunghawan sa Langilan Elementary School, si Ma'am Fi Aluna Flores sa Mati, si Ma'am Raquel Tubigon Price. Daghang kayong salamat mga ma'am ug sir sa inyong pagsunod ug pagsuporta ani ato ang tulumanon panglantaw sa kagabhion. This evening we will be discussing about education is a continuing process. A scout is trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, and reverent. But beyond this timeless good is a deeper truth. A scout is a learner of life. Tonight, I ask, when does education end? When you graduate? When you receive a medal? When you finally become a teacher or a leader? No, education is not a phase. It is a process. A secret journey. And in scouting, this journey is never over. Ang tinuod nga scouter, dili kutob sa una nga training. Dili kutob sa camping. Dili kutob sa pagdala og neckerchief. Ang tinuod nga scouter, matinud-anon nga estudyante sa kinabuhi. I remember a moment during a regional scout jamboree. Around the campfire sat scouts from different regions, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. One was teaching how to tie a bowline knot. Another was sharing how they purified water using charcoal and sand. Another gave first aid tips for snake bites. None of them were teachers, yet all of them were teaching. None of them were students, yet all were learning. That's what scouting is, a living classroom. Dili kinahanglan og blackboard. Dili kinahanglan og grado. Kung ikaw usa ka scouter, andam ka mo tungha bisan asa. basta adunay pagtulunan. In Luke chapter 2 verse 46 to 47, Jesus was found in the temple, sitting among the teachers, listening to them and asking them questions. Everyone who heard him was amazed at his understanding and his answers. And yet, despite this brilliance, Jesus remained teachable. That's a message to all scouts. Leadership begins with listening. Authority grows through humility. Ang Biblia wala giingon nga ang magtutudlo lang ang gamiton sa Ginoo. Ang gusto sa Ginoo mao ang usa ka kasing-kasing nga andam motungha bisan pa wala pa siya tawoga nga leader. The Boy Scout of the Philippines isn't just a youth organization. It is a school for life. Every patrol meeting, every survival game, every nap time challenge is not just a fun activity. It's a life lesson. When you pitch a tent under the rain, you learn resilience. When you help a teammate who is struggling, you learn compassion. When you forget your compass and find another way, you learn resourcefulness. Ang kada kasinatian sa scouting usa ka klase, ug ang kada klase usa ka leksyon nga magpabilin hangtod ikaw mahimong amahan, leader o lungsuran. In 1987 Constitution guarantees the right to education. But what many forget is that scouting is recognized as an extension of education under DepEd and even in international frameworks. In fact, scouting supports non-formal education, that which happens outside the classroom, but contributes just as much to a learner's development. Under the Youth Development Framework of the Philippines, scouting is described as a program that builds character, citizenship, and competence. Kung ang edukasyon mao ang hustisya sa umaabot, ang scouting mao ang practice niini karon. It teaches values that no textbook can offer. Survival, faith, honesty, greed. In scouting, we begin as a tenderfoot, the first rank. We're taught how to light a fire, like responsibly tie a square knot. But the deeper purpose is to plant the seed of lifelong curiosity. When a scout earns a badge, it's not about the cloth, it's about the commitment. Walay badge ang tinuod nga edukasyon. Ang tinuod nga ebidensya mao ang kabag-uhan sa batasan, sa hunahuna ug sa kasing-kasing. A good scout does not only learn survival tactics. A good scout also understands civic responsibility. That includes the law. That includes awareness of our rights and duties. Legal education, knowing the Constitution, knowing the barangay justice system, even understanding one's role in democracy is part of molding an informed citizen. Kay kung ang usa ka kabataan kahibalo mo tabang sa tanon, kahibalo usab siya mosabot sa legal nga proseso. Dili siya mailad, dili siya magpakabuta. Scouting is the first step to this kind of enlightenment. There was once a scout who failed his fire building challenge twice during the provincial camp. He wept from shame, but on the last day during an emergency drill, it was the same it was this same scout who took initiative, collected dry twigs, used friction, and lit a fire that boiled water to treat a wounded teammate. He didn't win a medal. He didn't take home a certificate, but he learned. And more than that, he served. That is real education. Not the one that slaps your name, but the one that shapes your soul. Let's reflect again. A scout is brave. The Bible says in Joshua chapter 1 verse 9, be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. A scout is reverent. Proverbs chapter 1 verse 7 says, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. So you see, even the scout law echoes the Bible. And when a scout chooses to keep learning, he walks in both the spirit of Baden-Powell and the will of God. When God called Moses, he was reluctant. He felt unqualified. He said, I cannot speak well. But the Lord told him, I will teach you what to say. The Lord is not looking for perfection. He is looking for those who are willing to be taught. Edam, andam, baka, mutungha. Kaya kung andam ka mutungha, andam ang Ginoo magtudlo. In scouting, every camp is a calling. Every challenge is a classroom. Every obstacle is an invitation to grow. You may earn dozens of merit badges, but remember, the greatest badge is not sewn on your sash. It is carved in your character. It is how you treat others. It is how you keep learning. It is how you live when no one is watching. And so tonight I say, let us never stop learning. Let us never stop scouting, because education is not a destination. It is a direction. Scouting is not a program. It is a process. And a true scout is not only loyal to the truth, but loyal to the truth. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Proverbs chapter 22, verse 6. To all scouts and scouters, teachers and parents, keep the fire burning. Keep the compass steady. Keep the mind open. For education is a continuing process, and scouting is one of its greatest paths. Kini ang panglantaw sa kagabihion din ang kahayag sa kamatuoran mo, danag bisan pa sa kangit-ngit. Kini inyong higala, igsuon og alagad, Jeremias Labaw Tubigon, reminding you nga sa atong pagpangandoy og matarong nga katilingban, ang kamatuoran gayud ang atong suga. Ug sa kangit-ngit sa kasaysayan, ang tinud-anay nga pamunuan ang labing hayag nga paglaom. Shout out Arcelita Aluso Tubigon, si Nanay Aging diha sa Lower Santo Niño Mahayag sa Buanga del Sur, si Mr. Richard Dular, ato ang kauban nga school head diha sa Fatima Elementary School, si Ma'am Lini Suico nga nagtan-aw pod karon nga naa diha sa Bulawan Elementary School. Sa makausapa kining inyong igsuon moingon, ang Dios magapanalangin ug magapanalangin ug magapanalangin kanatong tanan. Daghang salamat ug maayong gabi.